Welcome back to some peculiar electronics. I saw one of these today in an antique store. This is the McElroy model G813742. It's a graphic keying unit. It's a CW practice tool, and there's a take-up spool of paper that 400 feet of paper that plays CW code letters at 20 words a minute through this machine into a set of headphones. And actually the previous advertisement that you saw a moment ago said that it will play into about 300 headphones for military CW training. This is the cover that goes over the box, and here is the 16 millimeter approximately 400 feet of practice CW code. You can see that it's got the dashes and the dots there. So I saw this today in an antique store for $85. Didn't pick it up. I've got enough junk laying around, but I thought you guys would find it interesting. Thanks for watching.